Before assigning content to your students, make sure that you are signed in and the product that has the resources you want to assign is located in the Purchase tab underneath My Products. Videos about purchasing products and accessing products purchased for you can be found in the links below in the description. Before assigning content, you should also first create a course in student accounts. Instructions on how to do so can be found in the link video in the description. Go to My Products and select the product you want to access. Find the variation of the product you want to access and click View Resource. You'll then be brought to the list of resources in the product. They may be in a curriculum structure with units, as seen here, or in a collection, which is simply a list of all the resources that are available to you. The resources can be assessments, assignments, lessons, and more. More info on the different resources you may encounter can be found in the link in the description. Find the resource you want to assign and select the ellipsis next to it. Next, select Assign Resource. A list of your courses that you created will appear here. Select the course you want to assign the resource to and select Assign. You can then select View Now to view the resource. To access this resource once it has been assigned, you can go back to the resource in the product and select Assign Resource. A link to the already assigned resource will appear under Previously Assigned To. You can also access this resource by going to your Courses tab, and selecting the course you assign the resource to. Select the resource you assigned in the list shown here.